Hi, welcome to this tutorial. This tutorial is tire band, but it's not a real band, keychain or what. Last week we made this ice cream tutorial. It's two, right? Oh, not only one. Yeah. There it is now, and now it's already rebind now. And now we will do now the bond. First we will need a Curix. The Curix is this one, the light and the dark. Ginagamit ko dito yan Nako, baka meron. Alam ko dalawa yun eh. Baka dun sa ano ni Kuya Zeng. Ay, sa ano ni... Madumi na oh. May eyeshadow na. Sa mga damit niya.
Yung sa box?
Yung sa...
First aid.
Yung ano niya, yung... Tingnan ko, bukas, bigay ko sa'yo. Kung meron pa ako dun sa anuhan ko. This one's the light. And I don't know it. And the pink and the glitter and the pink and the blue. Now let's go to another box. We need this eyeshadow, but we need also this eyeshadow. It's so big. The big one. And this brush we will need. And this lip balm. Strawberry and these glitters. And this knife. And this. And now we will need this face and body crayons. And we need also this template. It's whatever that you need. And the tricking in it, but it's my secret, so I don't want to give it. My secret and the beads. And now let's start a power of it. First we need to get 2 bond paper, so it's not be that. And that table, my mouse, and this one I'm using to be quiet. This one is Play-Doh, but it's really expensive that I say to you. Now we will use this one. My mom showed me how to And now we will get color yellow, so not really sticky because this one is now broken. Getting! I don't like this. It's brown. Yeah, I like it. You really need a cake. Yeah, it's really sticky. And there must be this font is not original font. Sorry. My hand is so I will now round it. Baka meron pa akong gloves dun sa baba. Sa ako pinagkuhaan ko na ito. Dun sa mga books. Basta bukas bigay ko na lang sa inyo. Meron lang kahawak ka ng pagkain.
Hindi, sa paghuhugas lang ng ng ginagamit mo.
Meron nga dun sa baba.
Yung mga
Basta, niya.
mamaya pa.
Ikay na mo. Round and round. There, it's round. I'm so really upset. This one, ew. And put here on the white one, so it's like a design of it, of the bag. This one is a chocolate bond. And I like this shirt! So there. It's so And now what color is it? I like color this one. Here. Maybe that we will use sweet lemon. I'm ready. And now first make gloves. There. Oh. I don't want to wear this. One. Fixman to flame and make it shine. Wait, if you want to see it, wait, can make it all by itself. And if you want a good design, I have here my body. Okay. We're going to use this Now we will use the So it can make it shine. Wait lang. Yan. Okay. There. There. And now now I'm putting my these dots. So the dot. In the dot. And positive. And there is my bun, chocolate bun. I love it. And now I have the chocolate bun. I have I have my ice cream star. And my ice cream also is valid too. Yeah. Can be designed it whatever you want. Ew. There. And now the another one I will be acrylic tea. Wait for me, I will be color this. Kukulay ko lang. Color first. In the rock. Cone. Make a cone. So in the cone. What? Cone. Cone. Like a cone. Cone. Like a cone. There. Ew. And now my ice cream is ready. But I'm putting this one, this color one. Yep. There, it's finished. And this one. And now, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Bye. And now, goodbye. And after this video, go to part 3, and then you will see the how to make the glass and the I'm using it this one and my glitters and lip balm like this one. And now, thank you for watching of it. And now, hi, bye bye.